it too?
Yep.
Up, up, and away!
Just like that.
Wow!
And the sky is going to be epic.
Oh, this is cool!
If there's one aspect that's been very hard to convince, usually I can convince someone pretty easily, is have my mom go flying with me. I've tried nearly for, 10 years to get her to go flying with me in the paramotor, and every single time I've asked, it's been a no, regardless of the amount of margaritas she's had. And I don't know what happened this year, if she just did an extra amount of Bible study or what, but when I asked her to go flying with me in the airplane, she said yes, and I was dumbfounded. So I definitely took her up on that offer, and you'll see in this video, we had an absolutely amazing flight. The amazing part is that the last time that she flew in a small airplane was with my dad in 1971, and it was in a Cessna 150. So there's a large gap of time since she's been in a small aircraft, and we got really lucky. The winds were perfect. Frankly, they've been very questionable here in Colorado the last few months, and I wasn't going to take her up with it being turbulent like it usually is. So we got really lucky. The sunset was incredible, and she was nothing but smiles. So it was a really special moment, and I'm excited to post this video. So sit back and enjoy my mom's first flight since 1971. It's kind of crazy. Why? It's nice and quiet. Spunky.
Somebody's happy. Somebody's happy.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Like I'm ready to go to outer space.
Good.
All right, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yay, and you can actually put that closer to your face if you want. And that way, yep, there you go. I can hear you. Fuel prime is off. Star and wine light is verified as off. All right.
You have to have this open.
Oh no, you can close that. Set the prime. Flaps retracted, takeoff. We verify warning lights are off. Radios are set to.
Plane and parachute operations in effect. Avoid glider practice area south of the airport. Avoid overflying the airport sunrise to sunset.
To runway 8, Boulder. Brakes are good.
Up, up, and away.
Man, look at that sky.
Yes. Nothing's shaking.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I know. It was. I'm glad we didn't fly that other day because it was pretty turbulent.
Yeah. Not good. For Mama, anyway.
All right. We're gonna check our magnetos next. 25 RPM. 150 RPM differential with a cutout. Engine gauges are all in the green. Oil temp is just a little chilly. We'll let it warm up a little bit. Fuel quantity, we are showing at a full tank. And verify our alternator load by applying flaps. Navigation is set as required. We're gonna go hit the flat irons. Lights as required, and flaps are set to take off. And brief intentions if engine fails.
No worries.
Boulder Diamond 235 Delta, taking off runway 8, departing the pattern to the east. Boulder.
How can you even see?
Oh, you can see her just right. Just kind of line her up. I'm steering with my feet right now.
Really?
Yep. So you're using
Wow.
your rudders. All right, airspeed's alive.
Is that how Dad did it too?
Yep.
Woo! Up and away!
Just like that.
Wow!
And this sky is gonna be epic.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh
Like
man.
you're just coasting.
And the air is butter tonight.
Oh, that's awesome.
Normally you're like, bumping like when I was flying in the summer. You're just, I mean, we come off this ridge and you just bang. This is very smooth.
Yes, it is. God knows I like smooth.
Exactly.
This is exciting.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Boulder Diamond 2500 Delta, left crosswind for runway 8, Boulder. Oh man, that sky is muddy. I'm so stoked about this.
What do you mean it's muddy?
It's it's muddy.
Oh.
Like it's beautiful.
Oh. It is beautiful.
Boulder Diamond 2500 Delta, left downwind for runway 8, Boulder. Just because it's nice up here, you know?
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna try it. You're gonna put your phone,
What?
you're gonna put your phone, you can put it right here on the side,
Why?
where my leg is. I'm gonna show you how to fly.
I don't want to.
Oh yeah, you do. So you're gonna put your right hand right on this stick.
Yeah.
And it's real simple. If you wanna go left, you move that way. If you wanna go right,
Oh.
like that. And if you wanna go down,
Oh no.
so your goal is to head straight that way. And you wanna kinda keep her level like that. So if you feel like it's climbing up a little bit, push it down just like that.
Okay. Okay.
Doing awesome. And we'll actually go a little bit to the left here. So you're gonna take that stick, move it to the left. There you go. Perfect. Now center back up. Good job.
Oh,
That's all right. I got it.
good.
I'll have the controls.
Good.
You can let go now. Good job.
Boulder traffic number 702 Delta Charlie, left base 8 Boulder.
You can get your camera out for this. I'll hand it to you. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
You'll like this because flat irons they're beautiful.
Yes, they are.
And don't be alarmed. We'll get a couple of bumps off this just because it's the wind
Okay.
coming off these ridges. Nothing to be alarmed about.
Okay.
I can always break away if it gets bad.
Boulder traffic number 702 Delta Charlie, final 8 Boulder.
I bet you were exhausted when your car died and then you had to run. I can't imagine.
That's a life lesson learned on that. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Flat irons of Boulder. And my awesome pilot.
Questionable.
No. Not questionable.
Boulder traffic number 702 Delta Charlie, clear of base.
Amazing how smooth this is.
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yes.
Boulder Diamond 2500 Delta, left base for runway 8, Boulder. You see the runway right there?
Oh yes, I see. Not a very big runway.
No, it's very narrow compared. I'll take you over to Broomfield sometime.
Uh-huh.
It is like triple that size.
Wow.
It's huge.
I know when we were on Catalina Island, they have a very short runway and a lot of
you're
planes.
good.
But anyway, it's a very short airport and a lot of planes. A guy bought a brand new airplane, went right off the edge.
Really?
He survived, but not so much the plane. Smooth as glass.
Thank you.
Cool.
See if we can stop at this taxiway once. I'm so stoked I got to fly with you.
I know, I'm stoked too. I really was like so excited. I'm like, well, we don't get to go. It's not meant to be.
We've tried. How many times? We tried a lot.
Yeah. Worked awesome. And I wasn't nervous one iota.
Really?
Nope.
Oh, well that makes me feel great.
Not at all.
Boulder Diamond Desire Delta, clear of runway 8, Boulder. Yeah, so my hands aren't even on the stick right now. I'm just steering with my feet.
Really?
Uh-huh. That was fun.
It was a blast.
Except the turbulent part where I was like, I didn't want to tell you anything because that was buried at negative 1,000 and I was full throttle and I was like, we got to get out of here.
Yeah.
I was like, we lose any more altitude, and I was like, this isn't what I wanted.
So it's good just to be a little turbulent and then get out.
To get out, yeah. Exactly. Gave you a little adrenaline rush there for you.
But I still wasn't scared of crashing or nothing.
Were you nervous beforehand at all?
No.
Not at all. Were you nervous when you went up with Dad?
Nope.
Wow.
I guess I just trust you guys.
Oh, well, that's good. That makes us feel good.
Yeah. Literally. You know, I mean, I wasn't nervous one iota. So, we're in God's hands, so.
That's true.
He's in the cockpit with us, so.
There's Dad waiting with Autumn.
Oh, yeah.
I could take him up for a quick touch and go.
I think he would like that, I really do.
Okay.
Yep, just like that. Just hooked up like.
Awesome.
It got turbulent over by the Red Rocks. Yeah, I was full throttle and I was at negative 1,000. My vertical speed indicator is pinned at 1,000. There's that much sink. Yeah, over by the Red Rocks. But yeah. Yeah.
But I didn't feel it.
You didn't feel it, but the instruments, I didn't want to tell Mom that because I was feeling like we're gonna get out of here.
It was a little rocky over there, but otherwise smooth as ice.
Smooth as butter. Yeah, you want to go up real quick?
Take you up for a touch
We'll
and go.
do some touch and goes. Yeah.